do is to reclaim furniture, and we're working on chairs at the moment where you can cover the seats or make cushions. And Tom's got a project for our new dining room, and we're using red, aren't we?
Red.
First. So this is a set of chairs that will go round the table. And then we've got several other items, upholstery items, and some stools to do over a period of time. But these things take time. That's the edge of it. That's the seat that goes into. Yeah, it will. You just have to sit on it. Yeah, perfect.
See, that's it. Test.
See that little bit there? Could be my eyesight again.
You're bird. You're bird. So what we're going to do is when marble comes down, so that we're going to hide that hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it over that hole bit, and then we're going to put the fabric over the chair, and then we're going to leave that chair to dry till next week. And then when I come back, I'm going to put that onto the chair, and that'll be on that chair. So it was all horrible, and I sandpapered all the old varnish off, and I sandpapered it. I got all the varnish off, and I painted over, and I finished it. I mean, I painted it, and it's come up to the chair, and that one there, and I think that one in, so that one in the passage.
Yeah.
It's been varnished, and it's got the seat on, and it's got the same, so that it's got like the leaf pattern, like the red seat on it. Also, I done that one.